The attic room are on the top floor of the castle. From this rooftop, the entire area is visible and we can see the full of greenery all around. Let's take a tour of our attic room.
Hi friends, this is our room and I'm in Hidden Castle. This room is so cozy, it's so beautiful, cute little room. So they will provide you this queen size bed, a wardrobe. See, there is a mirror so you can check yourself, and this is the place.
This bathroom is nice and clean, and they provided us soap, shampoo, moisturizer and brushes as complimentary.
Here you will get complimentary teas, coffee, all sachets. See here the tea sachet, a green tea if you want, the milk, this kaju, everything. And let's check out this window, the view. Oh my god, see the view from my window. Wow. We are paying 7,500 for this room of this resort, and which include this 4 times food. This type of coupon they shared with us. So this is for the breakfast, dinner, high tea and lunch. The 4 times food cost is included in the package. I feel it's a reasonable price.
There is also a heritage suite room which costs 12,000 for twin sharing, where additional sitting room, heritage furniture, fan and large washroom is provided. This room has Harry Potter theme set, but it looks little spooky too.